Hello, it's me, Jason from Road Rescue. Today we are going to talk about choosing the right battery for your cars. When looking at car batteries, there are plenty of brands to choose from in the market. It can get confusing for most people. So to make it easier for you, I'm going to share about the two widely known brands, Vata and Amaron. When deciding on a battery, beside quality, the other two most important factors to consider are performance and low fail rate. During productions, Vata battery go through countless of inspection and close monitoring throughout, which ensure that the battery meet the high standards set by themselves. So this is why manufacturers choose Vata. Amaron batteries, on the other hand, make use of the Sylvan X technology. It allows them to endure harsh conditions such as high heat and still offer optimal performance. This is why Amaron batteries are suitable for Singapore typical climate. I hope that this video gives you a clearer picture on what to consider when choosing the right battery for you. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me, Jason from Road Rescue.